All right, here's that other little device that I was telling you about, and that little triangular piece goes into the end of the pipe, and it's just twisted, well, it would hold in place, and it's just twisted just like so. Then you take those little sharp edges off of that. What we have to do next is we have to sand down the edges. If you'll see this, especially with loose, not loose, but used copper, it's really dirty. I mean, you can see the oxidization there. That's what happens when copper oxidizes. It turns green. So what we ended up doing is we take some of the other pieces of pipe and you just use some sandpaper on the end of it. Does a couple of things. Cleans it, so you want just the clean, pure copper on the end. This one needs a little bit more sanding. But it takes all that oxidization and tarnish off of the copper. It also puts grooves in the end of it. And as we all know, that when you put paint on a very smooth wall, there's nothing for it to stick to. So the wall has to be a little bit rough so that the primer will sink into the wall, holding it in place. It's kind of like the fibers in glue. If you try using wood glue on a piece of glass, it's not going to stick, because the way that works is that the glue sinks into the fibers of the wood and then hardens after it sinks in. The solder that we're going to use to connect the pipe, the copper pieces, needs to sink into the grooves that you are going to make in the end of the copper. If this would just focus on me for a second here. Here, let's do this. There we go. See the scratches and the grooves, and the copper will take in all that solder. And that'll be the next video. See you in the next one.